Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a table in Canva. Tables are a great way to organize information visually, making data easier to understand and more appealing to look at. Whether you're working on a presentation, a school project, or something personal, Canva makes it quick and simple. First, open Canva in your browser. If you're new, you'll need to sign up or log in with your account. Once you're inside, either start a new blank design or open an existing project you want to add a table to. On the left-hand side of the editor, click on the Elements tab. This section is full of design features like shapes, lines, and frames. In the search bar at the top of the Elements panel, type in Table. Canva will then display a range of table templates from simple grids to more detailed layouts. Take a moment to browse through the options and pick one that suits your project. Once you've chosen, simply drag and drop the table onto your canvas. You can resize it by pulling the corners and move it around until it fits perfectly within your layout. Now, click on any cell in the table to start typing. Canva lets you edit text directly inside each cell, making it super easy to input your data. If you want to highlight certain information, you can use the toolbar at the top to adjust font styles, change text size, or add bold colors. You can also customize the table itself by changing the background colors of cells, adjusting borders, or mixing in design elements to make it more visually engaging. Just remember, clarity is key, so keep your data easy to read. Once you've filled in all the information, take a step back and review the design. Canva's drag and drop interface makes it easy to tweak spacing, colors, and alignment until everything looks balanced and professional. And that's it. You've just created a table in Canva. A simple feature, but one that can make your designs look structured, clean, and effective. Thanks for watching, and happy designing with Canva.